Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial series on building a job board application using React Router. Hi, I am Kumar and in this first video, we'll be introducing you to React Router, explain what is its importance and setting up our new project with React Router DOM. Let's start with the basics. Routing is essential for single page applications or we typically call them as spas. It enables the navigation between different views or pages without needing to reload the entire page. This provides a seamless user experience, allowing user to interact with the application more fluidly. Why is routing so important in SPS? It enhances the user experience by managing the different URLs within the app. It also helps to do the deep linking so that user can bookmark those specific pages. Additionally, it facilitates the dynamic loading and also that makes app feel faster and more responsive. Now let's talk about what is React Router DOM. It's a popular library for routing in React applications. It provides various components and hooks for handling the routing and it is easy to set up and integrate with your existing React app, making it a go-to solution for many developers in the React ecosystem. Before we dive into the code, ensure that you have a Node.js npm installed in your machine. If you have not already created a React project, you can do by using create React app. You can follow my series on the React.js to know more about how to create the app using create React app. Now assuming that you have the create react app has been created with create reactor app, let's see how we are going to install the React Router DOM application package. For that we have to go to your Visual Studio Code and enter the command Control J. It will go and try open the command terminal for you. Here you can go and install the package called as npm install and the package name is React Router DOM. So before we install the package, here in the dependencies you don't see any dependency for the React Router DOM. Whereas once you install the React Router DOM package, you can see that React Router DOM package has been installed as a dependency. If you check, the React Router DOM package has been installed now. Now we are ready to go with the routing demos. Let's do a quick recap on what exactly we have discussed. We have discussed about what is routing and why it is important and what is React Router DOM, and we have created a project and then we have installed the React Router DOM. In the next video, we are going to do the simple routes. Subscribe to our channel and follow along with this series. Next, I recommend all of you to create the React project and install the React Router DOM and follow along with this code. If you need the code reference, I have given the GitHub link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.